check these things out. Now, Karen, tell me a little bit about these shoes.
These shoes we had to have in our shop because they were so funky and so fun. Something different for people to look at and try on, and one day someone will walk out of here in them.
When you want to tell people what the aesthetic of Lindy Loops is, how would you word that?
Whimsical and fun and different, one-of-a-kind things in our shop.
The fact that you make art in here and you sell it is just especially women-owned.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Karen, for having us in.
You're welcome.
And thanks for my free shoes.
Sure.
So Liz, tell us a little bit about these items that you made, correct?
Yes. Resin products with dried flowers. They're all real flowers. And I made coasters, trinket dishes, trays, some keychains, pop sockets, all sorts of things.
Is that gold leaf in there?
Yeah, and gold leaf.
Fancy girl.
Sometimes I have a little heavy hand when it comes to the glitter.
I think that's okay.
So these are some of the blankets that Karen and I make. We just love it so much. She actually taught me how to crochet in 2017.
That's soft.
We make these, and we make headbands, beanies, scarves, and cute backpacks like this.
This is so cute. So yeah, the main thing I like about this store is how unique you guys have gone with it. Yeah, I feel like I could just come in here and have a cup of coffee.
That's exactly what we tell people. We're like, just go across the street, grab your Starbucks, and come hang out. So
that's
it's
fantastic.
Fun. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Liz, for letting us in. And
Thank
thanks
you
for
so
my
much.
free backpack.